Okay, as you can see on the right side of the screen, I'm braiding down her natural hair so I can have a base for the butterfly braid to be sewed down. As you can see on the left side of the screen, I am actually beginning the star of the show, the butterfly braid. I braid down a portion of the butterfly braid on that leave out section. The rest of the butterfly braid, I will sew down on the base braid. Just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so the key to my butterfly braid is I actually sew down the braid. I don't braid the butterfly braid on her hair. I'm not the best braider. I'm still working on my skills. So goes out to all those up and coming braiders. This is the trick or the key to getting a crispy butterfly braid. Just sew it down like you would sew a track down, like you would sew down anything else. Just sew the braid down onto her natural braid up underneath. Okay, guys, so now I have the butterfly braid sewed down. So what I'm going to do is simply take the regular feed-in braid and the butterfly braid together and just bring it together as one. It needs to be put together in one braid, as you can see. Okay, y'all, here's the finished result. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And y'all have a good day. Mwah.